I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first practical step. Open Decent Sampler and load the library path where your patch or sample's live. Once done, select the patch file and hit load. You should hear the default output. Make sure your audio interface and MIDI device are active so MIDI notes trigger sounds immediately. Adjust buffer to 128/256 for low latency versus stability, and check sample integrity. If a file fails, reload the folder and try again. Once the patch is loaded, you focus on mapping and layering to shape the instrument. You will assign key ranges and velocity zones so samples respond naturally across the keyboard, and then edit envelopes. Shorten attack for snappier notes or lengthen release for ambience. Next, add layers. Duplicate zones with different tuning or filtering, and set crossfades and panning to blend them smoothly. Make sure to test with dynamic playing. Tweak velocity curves and low-pass filters until the transitions feel consistent. You finish by preparing the instrument for real use and locking in stability. Save a new preset and export the instrument bundle so you can recall exact settings later. For performance, stream very large samples to conserve RAM while preloading short ones for instant response. If you hear clicks, dropouts, or timing glitches, first raise the buffer size, confirm sample rate matches between DAW and interface, and reinitialize the audio driver. If problems persist, re-export problematic samples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.